Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to troubleshoot and fix replacement part incompatibility issues in smartphones or tablets, especially when using non-OEM, original equipment manufacturer parts, or in newer models that have tight hardware-software integration. Step-by-step tutorial: fixing replacement part incompatibility in smartphones, tablets. 1. Identify the problem. Confirm the device exhibits symptoms of incompatibility, such as device not powering on or boot looping after repair. Certain functions not working, for example, fingerprint sensor, camera, touchscreen. Error messages related to hardware, for example, accessory not supported. Poor or unstable performance after part replacement. 2. Verify part compatibility. Or residue. 4. Use correct tools and follow proper disassembly procedure. Use precision tools to open your device without damaging other components. Carefully disconnect and reconnect cables without bending or damaging pins. Follow manufacturer or trusted repair guides for disassembly, reassembly steps. 5. Test the replacement part before full assembly power on the device with the new part connected but before fully assembling. Test critical functions, for example, screen display, touch response, camera, sensors. If the part doesn't work or causes errors, disconnect and double-check installation. 6. Check for firmware or software locks. Some newer devices have software-level protections against unauthorized parts. If the device shows warnings, for example, non-genuine part detected, check if the device needs a software update or patch. There is a known workaround, for example, specific settings or service tools. Use official or trusted software tools to reset hardware configuration or calibrate new parts. 7. Update or flash device firmware if needed. If the replacement part requires firmware support, for example, fingerprint sensor, update the device firmware or reinstall system software. Use official manufacturer tools or trusted flashing software. Be sure to back up your data before flashing. 8. Calibrate the replacement part. Some components, like screens or cameras, require calibration post-installation. Use built-in calibration tools or third-party apps if available. Follow manufacturer instructions for calibration. 9. Consider professional diagnostics. If issues persist, consult a professional repair technician. They may have advanced diagnostic tools to test part compatibility and device firmware. 10. Replace the part with a genuine OEM part if necessary. If the third-party or non-OEM part is incompatible and cannot be fixed, order an OEM replacement. Genuine parts ensure maximum compatibility, especially on tightly integrated newer devices. Additional tips: always ground yourself to prevent static damage during repair. Keep a detailed record of steps and parts used. Consider device warranty status before opening or repairing. If you want, I can also provide specific tools and software recommendations for certain brands/models. Just let me know the device you're working on.